Today we are making vanilla cupcakes with the chocolate buttercream frosting. Oh! We have 2.5 cups of sugar. We've got the butter, because everything takes butter, baby. We've got 2 eggs, 1 and 2. Add a teaspoon of the vanilla. Yeah. So we're going to add the cold milk and we're going to mix it. Hey, we're all mixed up. So we're going to pour them in. Ooh, vanilla cupcakes, baby. Ooh, don't they look good pouring in. These are going to go in the oven on 350. We're making the buttercream frosting for the vanilla cupcakes. So 3.5 cups of confectioners sugar, a cup of softened butter. And then we're going to have a 1/2 cup of the cocoa. We need a little bit of the milk. Oh, let's get it mixed up. Woohoo! Look at those vanilla cupcakes with the chocolate icing. That's the best part about being a baker. Tasting your own stuff. Oh my God! Vanilla cupcakes! Chocolate buttercream frosting! So good!